Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a Fora travel advisor in Pitt Meadows, BC. We cover all of the Lower Mainland. And Fora is a billion-dollar travel agency in the last 4 years. They call it the modern travel agency. And the way they become the modern travel agency is not by being the best guys to go to for the $30 hotel room. They're the best guys to go to for the $1,000 hotel room, for the five-star luxury, extra perks, check in early, check out late, get room credits, get special turn downs and mints on your pillow and things like that that you just don't get from being just a regular customer. So because Fora is such a massive company now, the heft behind it is fantastic. So do you have any idea where this is? Why does my title to this say Pitt Meadows Travel Agent, and then it says Vegas, baby? I just spent an hour with the Las Vegas, I think it's called Convention Visitors Association, Joel Peterson, talking about all the great things in Vegas. And I'm going to run a quick little video with sound, and you're going to go, oh yeah, there's so much more to Vegas than just a bunch of hotels in a desert. It is the playground. And the cool thing is, again, we're not specialized in $30 hotel rooms. You go to Old Vegas for that, and you find some rundown 2.5-star hotel. You can maybe still find $30 hotel rooms. But what Vegas is famous for is penthouse suites with hot tubs and pools in the room, not just in the hotel, in the room. 10,000, 12,000 square foot, just master suites. Looking out on and all the things that go with that, the finest of food, the finest of drinks, hidden secret bars. They call them speakeasies, but basically they're bars that you go through a barber shop and open the closet door and you go into a place with live music, and it's just crazy stuff like that. You're going to see the fountains. They're famous. That's an amazing spot. I've had dinner right at the edge of the fountains, but there's much, much more to Vegas than just the hotels. You can see, you can get in a helicopter and go to the Grand Canyon and be blown away. You can go out to a glass bridge that goes out over the Grand Canyon and be blown away. And because of blown away, I think I asked Joel about, guns. There's a shooting range that I've heard about where you can go and shoot things. I have a friend who got married in Vegas, and he said, oh, better than that. There's a place where you can go and blow things up, blow up cars. Think Wile E. Coyote, and you've got the idea. Just everything from driving the fastest, craziest cars, shooting the biggest, out of your mind guns. Just some of the things that are possible there. Every concert from U2 down. You've heard of the Sphere, where it's projected on the inside of a ball. And it's basically a 360. That 360 would be this way. It must be 720 because the concert is above you, in front of you, and around you. It's everywhere. It's a pretty psychotic setup. And there's obviously all sorts of residencies. You're pretty familiar with Celine Dion being in Vegas. She's not there anymore, but there's lots of other people. When they go, hey, there's concerts in town. Joel was talking about New Year's Eve in Vegas. He said they set fireworks off all the way down the strip, and everybody's in town. Everybody who's a major act that you've ever wanted to see, they're like, there, appearing on the stage, appearing on the screen, appearing in the hotels. You get it. One of the bucket list things that I've never really thought of before, New Year's Eve in Vegas. And so he went on to talk about some of the crazy food, drink activities. It goes far beyond just jumping on a helicopter. It goes, well, there's a I'm seeing the Ferris wheel here. You can do a roller coaster right off the top of at the top of one of the buildings. Let's run this little video here. It's just a 5 or 10 second video, but you're gonna love the view of this. Here we go.
What on earth? Absolutely brilliant!
That's Vegas, baby. What did I forget to even mention? Sports. Tons of different sports, not just, and betting. I guess they have a little bit of gambling going on in Vegas and sports betting. And it just keeps going on and on and on. All the stars you saw there, they all either are or will be or have been at Vegas. Some keep coming back again and again and again because they keep getting all sorts of people wanting to see them. There's a Wizard of Oz show where they've redone the 1930s. It's the ultimate in everything in Vegas. So how does this relate to Pitt Meadows Travel Agent? You got to book it. You got to get a guy to get on and go, hey, let's get some room reservations at some phenomenal places. Let's get some dinner reservations. Let's get some activities. Let's get some tours. Let's get some adventure going on. And that is going to be one. Let's get some bars to go to. Let's get you into a VIP section. How's that for one of the most action-packed long weekends, say a 3 or 4 day weekend that you've ever had in your life? Imagine going to Vegas for New Year's. Imagine being in the pool anytime with great DJs playing great music and tons of other people in the pool with you. It's the dance floor. It's a bit weird, but it's Vegas. So all sorts of stuff happens. Imagine being out in the hottest day you've ever seen, and then going indoors to air-conditioned comfort and just being able to walk for blocks and blocks and blocks in air-conditioned comfort, go to wherever you want to go. Now they have underground railways or subway kind of thing running all over Vegas. It's just going to be, it is amazing. It's been amazing since the 50s, and it is getting psychotically amazing now. So here's the point. The link's in the video description. You click that link and you come to my site at Fora. I'm a Fora travel agent, and you simply, there's about 3 different spots where it says book with Andrew, contact Andrew, email Andrew. So send me a quick one-line email going, I want to go to Vegas in June, God forbid, for New Year's Eve, whatever, and get ready to spend some money and get ready to have something that you'll remember every time the word Vegas ever comes up on a movie, on a show, in a conversation. You'll go, oh my God, was I ever there? We can set that up for you. Click the link and send me a message. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a Fora travel advisor in Pitt Meadows, BC, Canada. Enjoy, and all about Vegas.